All right, chemistry fans, welcome your faces back to Chemistry 1032 problem solving session. I am Dr. Russell Betts. I will be your host and guide through this video. Now this video is a little different. We're not going to work on a problem together. I'm actually going to draw something for you, a little cartoon to help you remember how to solve certain, let's do that again, I had to rub my face. Doop, doop, psh. All right, try that again guys, sorry. Hello chemistry fans and welcome back to Chemistry 1032 problem solving session here at the Academic Success Center on Broward College North Campus. I am your host, Dr. Russell Betts, and I will be guiding you through a little cartoon. It's not going to be a problem solving session or a problem solving video as you've seen subsequent to this. This is just going to be a little bit of a mini lecture, if you will, to help you understand how to convert from grams to moles and moles to molecules, and how to remember what order to do it in a cute way that I think you'll find helpful. Okay, so this is not a problem-solving video. It's just a cute little short video to help you remember something when it's on a problem, converting from grams to moles, moles to grams, or moles to molecules, or molecules all the way back to grams. Help you remember how to do it without stressing yourself out too badly. All right, so let's put our attention down here. Okay, so now, a common question in chemistry is converting grams to moles and then moles to molecules. Or the question may say, how do I convert this many grams of something to this many molecules? How do I know how many molecules I have? And students tend to want to go all the way from grams directly to molecules without going through moles. Happens all the time. So here's what I want to do. Here we'll just have a little street, and then there's a big hill. And then the street starts on the other side. This is called a molehill. And at the top of this hill is the mole. Over here, on this side of the hill, is grams. Over here, on this side of the hill, is molecules. Or atoms, or ions. All of this stuff is over here. Could be molecules, atoms, or ions, depending on what the question wants you to do. So now, students tend to want to go from grams all the way to molecules, atoms, or ions. Resist that urge, and here's why. Because between here and here, there is an evil species lurking with tremendously evil hands and a horrible, horrible, evil mouth and a brow and long flowing hair and maybe even some kind of wing and a tail, and breathes fire, burns up 1032 students in his wake. This is Dr. Betts right here. In dragon form. He will eat you alive, burn you and eat you if you try to pass through here without going over the molehill. Now, because you and Dr. Betts both live in the state of Florida, we know that we have to pay tolls at the toll bridges or the toll booths. We have to pay them. So here, in this toll booth, we must pay the atomic mass or molecular mass, depending. So we must pay the grams over mole toll. Okay? We must pay that toll. So going from grams to moles, we have to go through the toll bridge. It's grams over moles. We have to pay that. To get from here to here, you have to use this. Now, to go from here to there, you got to pay it. You got to pay it. You got to pay it going one way. You got to pay it going the other, just like the turnpike. Okay? Over here, there's another toll bridge. You've gone to moles, now you got to pay again to go to molecules, atoms, or ions, and this is Avogadro's number. All right, so that's how you have to do it. You have to go from grams to moles, from moles to molecules, atoms, or ions. You cannot, you can never, and you will never succeed going from molecules directly to grams without going through the mole. If you try to come across this way, Dr. Betts will breathe fire down upon you and give you low scores on exams. Okay? So that's how you remember not to go from grams directly to molecules, but to go through the mole. All right, guys? I hope you found that video cute, and I hope you find this drawing a little bit helpful and easy to remember. That's the key. A lot of times on exams, because I teach this to every class I have, a lot of times I'll see this drawing drawn on the exam to help students remember how to do it. Okay? So I hope you find it helpful. And with that, I'd like to wish you good luck and good chemistry.